The internet is like a highway today. Everyone can access your location through the IP address, may it be the telecom operator or the broadband service provider, whoever it may be. So, but what if I tell you there is a way to stay hidden, protected and secured, and that too for free? So that's where the VPN comes in. Most of you might have an idea about the VPN, but do not know how to access it for free. So today in this video, I'm going to suggest you a VPN source where you can access a number of VPNs for free. So if you're watching my channel for the first time, please do subscribe so that you will not miss the content like this. And this is Manoj, you are watching GMR Tech Arena. Let's get into the video. Even now, most of you might be searching for the free VPNs but end up finding nothing. At the end, you will find only the paid VPNs. I mean, most of you I'm talking about. But what most of us do not know is that there is a default VPN option in our system settings itself. So to access it, just go to the settings in your system and so in the search bar, type as VPN and select the first option called VPN settings. Boom! On the top, you can see an option called Add VPN. Just click on it and it asks you to enter the required credentials. The first one we have is the connection name. You can give the connection name as Inky, Pinky, Ponky, Donkey, dog name, parrot name, crow name, whatever it may be. And the second one we have is the server name or the address. So to fill this section, just navigate to your search engine or the browser. Just go to the website called VPN Gate. Here you can find the n number of IP addresses in the block letters in a HTML table. Copy any one of those block letter names. If you actually want to go to Japan, select the Japan address. If you actually want to go to US, select the US address. And just copy it and paste it under the section. Paste it under server name or address. Next, under that we have the IPN type. And select the IPN type as SSTP. Because the address that we copied from the VPN Gate website belongs to this SSTP category. Under that, it asks you for the username or the password. Just enter the username as VPN and the password as the VPN because that's what mentioned in that website. Now click save and try connecting to the network. If you fail to connect this network, repeat the same process and try for another network and keep doing it until you get connected. Most probably you will be connected in either 2 or 3 trails, and if you are the luckiest person, you will get connected in the first attempt itself. So that's it. It is as simple as that. If you like the video, just hit the like button. Thanks, namaste, signing off. We'll meet in the next video.